So the center switch panel engage thing, I mean, it works, but nope. There's a lot of wasted space, like there's 3 volts gauges on here and meh, just stuff you don't need. So I'm going to redesign a little bit, and also we could use some trail tunes. So version 3, as you see, I've cut down on the USBs because you only really need 2 switches. This is a Bluetooth head unit, believe it or not. It's kind of the one, the little bush. Feels good too, works well. Isolator and all the gauges the car needs. It's lovely how it's going to go in this nice clean dash. And finished product. So you can see I've mounted the gauge in there, Bluetooth head unit, pretty cool little thing, locker switches, an isolator, and outlet. So the outlet got moved because here is closest to where you keep your phone to charge it. But absolutely stoked how that's come out. It did take 5 goes to get it right, but yeah, I'm pretty damn happy.